Success Gardeners. We are back this week talking about flowers and blooms. You might be starting to see that happening in your plants. We're here in my garden in the sunniest spot in our yard. That's where we chose to put our tomato plants. Tomato plants love sunshine. They need about 7 hours of bright sun every day. So pick a sunny spot and plant your tomatoes there. You might be starting to see right now that you are getting some blooms. So a tomato blossom or bloom are the flowers that grow, and that is the spot that you're gonna see tomatoes develop. If the plant is pollinated, if it's not pollinated, then that flower will drop off and you won't get a tomato. So if it's pollinated, then you're gonna start to see something called a tomato bulge, the little teeny tomatoes that start off where the flower was, and those are going to form about 9 to 14 days from when you see a flower. So within 2 weeks you should see one of those bulges, and then in about 30 days we will see that turn into a full bloomed tomato that we can eat, we can pick and eat. You also want to notice if your tomato roots are underground. Tomatoes like to be planted deep, so you can see my tomato is coming out, so I'm going to want to cover that with some compost, some grass clippings, even some leaves can cover that up, and will help keep the plant hydrated because we want to water this a lot too. Tomatoes love water. You're gonna watch your tomatoes bloom and flower. We have another bigger guy there. And we also want to keep it supported. As those tomatoes get bigger, they are going to get heavier and heavier. And so you want to make sure you have a cage or a support system. So I'm going to pull these branches back inside the cage so they can be supported by this cage as the plant gets bigger and bigger. We hope that you are seeing some growth and some changes in your plants. Let us know how your gardening is going.